What if? When left by themselves are two very common words, but when combined together, what if? These two common words take on a whole new meaning and have the potential to impact and change the world.
What you might think you just watched was a documentary about the building process of a custom spacecraft.
But what you really watched was the beginning of a movement. This is not about the spacecraft. It's not about the YouTube channel.
What this is about is the ability to dream, and our dream is to impact the world, one person at a time, with love and hope, and to maybe, just maybe, inspire you to dream about your what if.
What if you tossed your fears aside of what people might think and follow that dream you have deep inside?
For us, our dream is to mobilize others, to impact the world with you. What you've just watched is simply a tool to reach people.
And we're just getting started, and we invite you to come join us.
Remember, evil always wins when great men and great women simply do nothing. So the question becomes, what is your what if?